In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Drive that's been shared with you. This is a straightforward process, but there are a few key details that will ensure you can save your video without any hiccups. Whether you're accessing Google Drive for work, study, or personal reasons, these steps will guide you clearly. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so by entering your Google credentials. This step is crucial because accessing files shared with you requires a registered user in the system. Now, look for the Shared with Me section on the left-hand menu. This is where any files or folders that others have shared with your Gmail account will be listed. Scroll through to locate the video that you wish to download. Sometimes the list can be quite long, so if you're having difficulty finding your video, you might use the search bar at the top, inputting the file name if you know it. This can help you quickly locate your video amid a plethora of files. Once you've found the video, you'll need to right-click on the file name. A context menu will pop up, offering several options. What you're looking for in the menu is the download option. Click on it, and your download should start automatically. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, it may take some time for the download to complete, so be patient during this step. It's worth noting that if you encounter any issues in this process, such as a message indicating you don't have download permissions, you may want to contact the person who shared the file with you. They might need to adjust the permissions on their end to grant you downloading rights. Occasionally, your browser might also block the download. If a pop-up alerts you that a download has been blocked, most browsers will give you the option to allow the download. Go ahead and confirm that the file is safe and continue downloading it to your device. Finally, after the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder and you should see your video file there, ready to be played or moved to a different location of your choice. This step ensures you can easily access your file offline whenever you need it. That's it. You now know how to effortlessly download videos from Google Drive that are shared with you. This process can be applied to a wide range of files on Google Drive, making it a versatile tool in your digital toolbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.